Sunday meant lunch with fresh fish and a movie on Doordarshan. These were the simple joys of life that we totally look forward to growing up. Fish made in turmeric leaf is a dish that showcases the Indian cuisine. Vibrant, aromatic, and pure genius. I love how it highlights what nature gives you and creates something totally magical. You start by making this masala, not a paste, it's a masala, made with ginger, garlic, green chilies, a little bit of cumin, and of course fresh coconut. You pound that till you get a coarse paste. You take the turmeric leaf, take off the back vein to make it more pliable. You can also put it on the flame for a few seconds. It makes that easy to roll up the parcel. Now you take the fish and the masala and make a bundle. Tie it up and steam it. And that's where this magic happens. Beautiful aroma from the turmeric leaves and the masala takes this fish to an elevated level. You can serve it as part of the meal with hot rice and dal or as an appetizer by itself. No matter how you serve it, I can promise that it's absolutely delicious. I love cooking with turmeric leaves. I even make patoya and kheer. Have you cooked with turmeric leaves?